I got an email back from my client out in Ohio. We got a proposal today to a manufacturer that I sent them on last week. I spoke with the finance director at this manufacturing facility who informed me about what they planned on doing with the roof. Wasn't sure if they could go with repairs, but was pretty sure they needed a partial replacement, so sent my client out there, met with him, and we got out a bid for $95,000 for the partial replacement or $22,500 for repairs. I'm really excited with this one. Can't wait to see it close.